Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about cookie expiration real quick, and then we will move on. So let's get our cookie. Okay, so this is a cookie we've been working with. I've added an extra little parameter here called expires, which basically gives the cookie an expiration date. And this means the browser will hang on to this cookie until Tuesday, January 1st, 2025. That means you can close your browser, close your tab, whatever, come back to this website, and the cookie will still be there. And if you don't include this expires parameter, the cookie will expire when you close your browser. That's called a session cookie. A session cookie, basically has no expires parameter, and so it'll disappear when you close your browser. So depending on what you want to do, if you want, how when sometimes you log in, you might have a login on a website that has, takes a username and password and has a checkbox for remember me. Basically, what you're triggering here when you check this checkbox is whether or not to accept an expires parameter. So if you don't check it, there'll be no expires parameter, and you'll be logged out when you close your browser. And if you do check it, your cookie that you get when you log in will have an expires parameter. So that's generally what's going on there. You're just deciding whether or not to include this extra parameter on your cookie.